we need to realize that we can't be all things to all people. There are certain personality types that we might be just more comfortable with. It might be based on religion, ethnicity, male, female, age. I mean, there's all these different things. So I would say it's better to be a bigger fish in perhaps a small pond than to try to be of service to everybody. And really, you know, pick people who resonate with you. And it's gonna vary from person to person. But I see a lot of people, in, you know, getting outside of mortgage and real estate who try to do too many things. They join too many organizations. They try to network with too many people. And when you think about how you've been successful, in my case, I can count 5 people who've been responsible for 70% of my business over the last 10 years. When I keep going back to, and how did that person come in? How did that person come in? So I think a lot of people confuse themselves with big numbers. They think that success is all about connecting with as many people as possible. And I think it's about going in deep with people, with a smaller tribe.